Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2017 Mazda 3, stock number 6583. This ran from 11th 2013 and the 2nd 2019. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is the PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, front bonnet no dents, left front door mirror, left front door 2 dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate 1 paint chip, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right hand door card, right hand master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,